Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here, and today I'm going to be unboxing another animatronic to add to my collection. Now this I'm very excited for. This is the Pumpkin Guardian of the Grave. I am super excited to get this unboxed. I've been wanting this prop for such a long time. He's going to go great in my yard display this year. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Get rid of this tape here. Alright. Get rid of this bubble wrap. Time doing this. Here's his box, and I guess this is a, I don't even know what this is. I don't know if this is like part of a tombstone spike or something, I don't know. But yeah, get rid of this. Here he is. Box seems to be in pretty good condition, gotta say. Guardian of the Grave Pumpkin Guardian rises up from behind the tombstone, glowing eyes and mouth, sound or step pad activated. Bone-chilling audio hooks up to your fog machine, and it does have an external speaker jack, which is quite nice. I don't have an external speaker to plug into this, so yeah, external speaker's not going to happen. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Bubble wrap here. Bubble wrap. Top half of his tombstone. Bottom half. And here is Pumpkin Guardian of the Grave's head. Put this out here. Base. It does have a volume control knob, so that's nice. I like that. Here's his module. There's telescoping module. Fog cord, right. Fog cord. Here are his two bottom tombstone spikes. I only see one of his tombstone spikes that connect the two together. I only see one, so I'm probably going to go into the other room and get some like wooden skewers or something. And he does come with it with his instructions. I believe these are, yeah, these are just printed on printer paper, which is still okay. I like that the previous owner included this in there. So yeah, set that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and set them up, and I'll get back to you. Alright, I got them all set up. Let's go ahead and activate them. So yeah, that's the Pumpkin Guardian of the Grave. I am so excited to finally have him in my collection. He is going to go insanely well in my yard this year. Review and demo are going to be coming soon for this guy. So yeah, but before I end it, I'm going to go ahead and activate him one more time.
Rest in peace.
Alright, see you in the next video, guys. See you later.